What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. We back at it again with another video today. Now today, man, I actually want to just have some fun in my car, dude. I've been working OT from 3 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. all this week. I just want to have some fun and enjoy my car today, so that's what we're about to do. Today we actually about to just drive around, and I'm about to learn how to use this auto stick, and hopefully we can make it do what it do. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, man. Smash that like button, man. Like I said, smash the like button because it helps the community grow. That's the least you can do. Smash the like button for your boy, man, because I'm growing. We almost at 500 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and just remember, we do have that giveaway. Once we reach 500 subscribers, I'm giving away a $50 Cash App, Venmo, whatever you have, man. I'm gonna pick somebody and we gonna make it do what it do, man. So we almost at 500 subscribers, man. But like I said, I want to keep this short and simple. We about to jump into the car and we just about to enjoy this day, enjoy this ride. I'm about to have some fun in the whip, so let's get it, man. Alright, y'all, so we about to go ahead and jump right into it. We in the whip. Like I said, we about to have some fun in this Las Vegas sun. Now hopefully y'all can hear me. I got my GoPro on. I actually took off the back shield because I know I could get a little bit better audio that way. But for the most part, y'all know how my videos are, man. Y'all know who my videos are for the most part. Audio is always on point. Like I said, man, today has been a long, stressful day. This whole entire week been stressful, bro. I just want to have some fun in my car. That's pretty much it. So we about to just go around, ride around a little bit. I love the area that I live in because it's a back road on the other side of my actual house where I can go ahead and drive up and down the street crazy without having to worry about cops and, you know, people being out and stuff like that, man. So like I said, man, I just want to have some fun today. So almost the weekend, it's time to turn up. I hope all y'all out there having a pretty good week, man. It's almost Friday, man. Thank God, man. TGIF. So before we go ahead and hit this road, I'm about to go ahead and crank that sport mode on. Yeah, and we about to get us a shot, man. We about to get us a shot. So we got the auto stick. We gonna go ahead and roll it from out of first gear, and we go see if we can make it do what it do. Like I said, man, I'm learning, and I just want to have some fun today, man. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up on the videos, man. That's the least I ask for, man. Hit the thumbs up on the videos, man, and, you know, leave a comment. Just look out for your boy, man. Just help the community grow, man. I'm trying my best to make it do what it do, man, and that's the least that I could ask for, man. If y'all could just leave a comment, hit that thumbs up, smash the thumbs up, actually, man, smash the thumbs up, because that actually helped the video be seen by, you know, by more users across the entire YouTube platform for the most part, man. I appreciate every single one of you. I just want to get past this little hump. As you can see, that road was kind of tricky. Woo! All right. Oh yeah, he going. Woo! Okay. Oh yeah, I actually like. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, I might have to roll the window down a little bit. Okay, I actually like this. And look, the crazy thing is I've never driven a stick before in my life. Never driven a stick before in my life. none whatsoever. So this is actually a new experience for me. Here, let me roll the windows down real quick so we can hear this thing revving up. I'm gonna start back in first gear. Like I said, man, I'm out here learning. I'm just having fun, man. Woo! Okay. Wait a minute. And I like that you could actually, yeah, you could actually feel the gears. Yeah, I like this. Man, I don't know why I've been sleeping on this. I've been sleeping. I've been sleeping for sure, for sure. Yeah, I've been sleeping. All right, let's go. I'm looking at my RPMs right now, just making sure I'm hitting my shift points. Hey, this is actually pretty fun, man. I don't know, like I said, man, I've been slipping on this auto stick mode. I tried to use the shifters the other day, and I mean, it was cool, but I actually like this a lot more. One of my subs, man, shout out to my guy, man. I'm excited right now, so I can't remember your name, but we had a little conversation this morning. He told me about using the auto stick mode. So, man, shout out to my boy, man, because this is actually pretty fun. Oh shit, is that a damn coyote, bro? Nigga, what is that? Hey man, look, hey, it's a coyote. It's Tricky. What's going on, brother love? It's Tricky. Man, it's a coyote. See what I'm saying, man? I'm out here on this desolate road, man. You got coyotes out here, man. It's tricky right now, man. But we out here. And look, he flexing right now. Look at him. Oh, it's tricky. Let's go ahead and jump back on this road, man. Hey, that's crazy. That's the first time I ever seen a coyote. Look, look, every time I pull off, your boy wanna stop. That's crazy, man. Look, Las Vegas, man. Las Vegas, man. We out here though. But that's crazy. Look, man, that's the first time I ever seen a coyote in the daytime. That's crazy as hell. But as you can see, we on a desolate road. There's nobody back here. You got a guy on his bike. For the most part, we safe. We just having some fun, man. Now, from what I heard, and let's see, I'm just making a little observation right now. Okay. So you got to come to a complete stop. Okay. See, now I'm starting to understand. So I actually watched the video on Dodge's YouTube channel a little bit earlier just to kind of get an idea of how the auto stick work, and they did say when you come down to a complete stop that it's gonna automatically shift gears for you. So I was wondering, like, okay, why I'm slowing down but it's only dropping down in the, you know, third and second gear, but when you come to a complete stop, that thing jump all the way down to first. So I think I'm starting to getting the hang of it. You know I've been talking a lot, haven't really been paying attention the way that I want to, but I'm actually about to give this a try, man. So this is actually pretty cool for the most part. And let me know if you guys like this kind of content too, man. You gotta let me know if you like this kind of content, man. I just want to switch it up and have a variety of different videos on my channel. I just want to make the channel fun, man, for the guys, and I want to do it big for the RT owners, man. A lot of the guys in the community, they kind of, you know, look up to me and some of the mods that I did to the RT, and I just want to rep well for the RT guys, man. So let me know if you like these type of videos. Yeah, this thing is moving, boy. Hey, I don't think I'm ever gonna drive an auto anymore. Probably when I got my, you know, when my kid in the car or my girl in the car or something like that with me, man. But for the most part. And look, when you slow down, boom, gears is dropping. Yeah, man, I like this, man. I've been slipping, man. Shout out to my sub, man. Shout out to my sub, man. This is fun right here. Actually, you know what? I heard something about launching in second gear, so let me get that a shot. I'm about to punch this shit, man. Let me see what's going on. Woo! Okay, yeah. Let's get it. Oh yeah, I like this, man. I like this. And you could actually feel the shifts too, which is pretty dope. I think that's pretty dope. Yeah, I like this, man. I like this, man. I really needed this, man. Like I said, man, I had a crazy week at work. For those of you guys who don't know, I don't want to specify the company that I work for, you know, just for obvious reasons, but I do work for a reputable company, Fortune 500 company in the IT field. But man, it's stressful. So coming out here and driving, man, coming out here and driving, dude, it's like a breath of fresh air, man. A breath of fresh air. I really needed this, man. So we about to go ahead and start back from first gear. I'm gonna kind of take it easy this time a little bit, because I actually want to figure out where are the best shift points. So I'm looking at my gauge. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I like this. There we go, boy. Oh yeah, man. This is him right here. And I'm sagging him though. I'm sagging him. Seventh gear, man. Whew. That's what I'm talking about, man. We really out here, man. We really out here. We coming to a stop, just like that. Drop down in the first gear, man. I like this, man. So we about to just go around one more time. Actually, I'm gonna probably go around this corner right here and just kind of see. Second gear. Let's see. Downshift on his own. Like I said, man, I'm learning, man. We back in the first. Go ahead. Second gear. All right, let's go, baby. Third gear. Let's go. Woo! All right. It's crazy. I never really came all the way down the street before. I didn't know it was a complete dead end right here. It's a nice look. Oh, damn, see? Man, it was meant to be. I ain't trying to get their license plate on cam, but damn, I just ran into a Challenger, man. Right? Right in my backyard. That's crazy. I'm gonna keep it easy down this block. Try to figure out how to get out this joint. But yeah, man, like I said, man, we out here having fun today, man. Let me know if y'all like this type of content. I actually enjoy this, man. Like I said, I think I'm gonna keep my car in this auto stick all the time. I don't know what I've been scared of, man. I've been scared that I'm gonna damage the transmission somehow because I don't know how to shift. But like I said, I was watching that Mopar video on the official Dodge Mopar YouTube channel, and they basically said how it's a safety feature on this thing where if you're not shifting properly, the car is actually going to automatically do it for you. And the whole downshifting thing, it shifts down for you, so you don't actually have to downshift if you don't want to. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for the video for today. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. I just want to do a little bit more driving out here on my own and blow some steam. Let me roll the windows down real quick so y'all can hear that thing though. Woo, it's sack. Get it. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Woo! right, man, that wraps it up for the video, y'all. Man, y'all take care, and we gonna be back next week with another video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, smash the thumbs up, man. Smash that thumbs up, man, and help the community grow, man. I'll be back next week with another video.